Flipper?
Yeah.
Flipper? Well, your geezer. 1963 when that show. They did 2 seasons. And the dolphins in that show were captured here.
Oh.
That's why they look just like this. And as a kid, I thought all dolphins look the same, but they don't. These are very beautiful. They're smaller than the other ones, and they're also really dark back and a white underbelly. And And if you're thinking, hey honey, let's swim across, it's 4,000 miles. And directly east of us, I don't know if anybody knows their geography, but directly east, 4,000 miles, is the Canary Islands in North Africa. Morocco is over there. Long ways. Canary Islands are the last bit of land that Columbus saw before he headed across. Quiet right now here. Go another 100 yards, and then we'll try. If you want to try to get a picture, this is a great spot. Flag down TJ over, he's a good photographer. And that great little model as well. Good front and behind the camera.
There's actually 2 up there.
This looks like 2 or 3, and we call them. Hello, hello! Come over here. Oh, there goes the bridge horn. I'm going to get to see the bridge open. You'll see, I guess you won't see from here. There are some traffic signal lights. It'll stay red, and then it'll go to yellow and then green when the bridge is fully extended. So it might be now. And I thought that big sailboat was over there.
Some kind of trawler coming through.
You can see all the traffic stop. Sadly, occasionally the bridge gets stuck open, and you can see people. Some of them got out of the cars already, but it's been known to get stuck for like half an hour. And if you're up there, there's absolutely nowhere to go. Can't back up, so people just get out of their cars and walk around up there. If we happen to be out here going under the bridge, very often we'll get the other number 1 sign. So we were responsible for this. Oh, he's got a great loop flag over there. Just to give you an idea of perspective on how old this is. It was Spanish, then it was English, then it was Spanish. But when it was first completed, 23 years later, and finally taken over, it was still 40 years after this was finished that George Washington was born. So way back there. 21 years the British had this as a colony. It's called Fort Marion. And after the Revolutionary War, the United States, they held on to this for a while. And finally they were so sick and tired of the Americans that they traded it back to Spain, and Spain held on to this whole territory of Florida till 1845, when this became